These steps will demonstrate how to add a contact to your phone. If you have iCloud syncing enabled for your contacts, the contacts details will be available on other devices connected to your iCloud account. Swipe the home screen to the left. Tap Contacts. Tap the plus icon. Enter the contact's first name and then tap last name. Enter the contact's last name and then tap Add Phone. Enter the contact's phone number and then tap Home. Tap the type of phone number it is. To add a second phone number, tap Add Phone. Enter the phone number. To add a photo to the contact, tap Add Photo. You can select to take a photo or choose one saved on your phone. In this example, we will select Choose Photo. Tap the album the photo is saved in. Tap the photo. Move and scale the photo and then tap Choose. Fill out the rest of the fields in this fashion and then tap Done.